So we will create another handler that is VK physical device, which is handler to the physical device. It is our handle to the physical device. Okay. So the problem. What is physical device? Well, let's study that. Okay. So what is physical device? Physical device is simply a means or GPU. It's nothing else. It's our GPU or graphics card. It can be NVIDIA graphics card or AMD or anything else. So this is exactly what we call a physical device. So whenever it becomes a term that is physical device, just it simply means it is our GPU or our graphics card. Okay, so let's proceed. So next thing we're gonna do is that we'll create another function that is void engine pick physical physical device. Now, why we're creating this function? Well, because we need our Vulkan to enumerate our physical devices, like how much physical devices are embedded in our computer, or how much GPUs are there in our computer. If there are two GPUs or three GPUs, it's going to enumerate them all, and then it's going to choose the best one from that. Okay, so let's see. Let's implement this. Okay, so this function will write our code in this way. Like yeah, first of all, we'll create variable that is uint32 or simply int uint32 underscore t, and I'll name it as physical devices or number of physical devices or something like that. Yeah, that's physical devices or number of physical devices. Number of physical devices, right? And just assign it 0. Yep. And then we have a function that we'll call that is vk enumerate physical devices. vk enumerate physical devices. Here we go. Okay. Now it takes instance. It takes a pointer to the physical device count. So yeah, I just change its name. Physical device count. Physical device count, and we'll pass reference to this. Physical device. Fuck me. Device. Oh shit. Physical device count. Now it's fine. And finally, the physical devices. So it is like we can pass no pointer here for now. Now it will just enumerate all the physical devices. Like if we have two physical devices or three or four or five, it doesn't matter how much we have. If we have one physical device or two devices, it will just see how much they are, and after that it will store that number in this variable. Fine. Now let's see how much do we have, and let's do error check. If the physical device count is equal to or is less than um, 1 maybe, so or we can say is equal to 0, yeah, is equal to 0, or we can just say that std sorry pro std runtime error, and we can type as engine failed find a physical device. Here we are. Okay, so it means like if we doesn't have any GPU, so then there is no sense of moving onwards. We can just terminate our program over here and just print the error. That's it. Okay. The next is the next we will again, if this is not the case, if we have some GPUs in our PC, so we can then just move onwards, right? We can just have as we can enumerate physical devices. Here we are. just doing passing the instance and the physical device count. One thing I forgot is creating the vector. That is a std vector. The std vector and of type pk physical device. This is exactly the type of the handle that we created earlier, and we'll pass the devices. A size will be physical device number of physical devices. It will be the size of the. This is the size, so it will be the size of the physical devices, the number of physical devices, and finally devices. Heck is this? std vector. Do we have vector here? I think we don't have vector. Yeah. So let's include the vector. Let's include vector. Here we are, and we should be good now. We are good now. We have now devices data shit data, and here we are. We created this, and once this is done, then we can enumerate all the we can just go through the devices and check which one is better, right? It just got all the physical devices for all the GPUs and just stored them in this vector. Now we will go through this complete vector and just see how many devices we have, and then we will see that like which one device is the best one among all. So then we will select the best one from that. For that, let's create a loop for const total percent device from devices, and we will just write as yeah, device if device dot wait if device is equal to, or if is device suitable, and we'll pass in here the device as an argument, and we'll just do this. If this is true, if device is suitable, then we can say that device is equal to or sorry, physical device is equal to device. Okay, and there we go. All of this, and finally, we can just do this, right? We'll just implement the other logic later, but for now, I'll just explain this because we are running out of time. So for that reason, I'll just go through this again. We have created a physical device, but I've done a problem over here. Just need to pass null handle. Null handle. Here we are. It is null handle. There is no handle assigned to it for now. And then what happens is that this function, where I implement this thing, then pick physical device, we are basically finding all the GPUs we have in our computer and then picking the best one from that. So we have created a variable for that to store the number of GPUs we have, and then we are enumerating the number of all the GPUs that we have in our computer. And when we are enumerating this, it will store the number of GPUs in this variable. And after that, we are checking that like how much GPUs we have. And then we are, if there are no GPU in our computer, so it will just throw the error that we failed to find the physical device or GPU, and it will terminate our program. Otherwise, if GPUs are found, then it will create a vector, and of which type? It will be a BK physical device type, exactly this type, exactly the type of the handle. And then it will store all the devices that is found, and the